With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Let's see the following question. How many structural isomers are possible when one of the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine atom of anthracene? So, let us see the structure of anthracene. The structure of anthracene, it has a fused benzene ring. There are 3 fused benzene rings. So, let us do the structure first of all. Okay, there will be 3 fused rings, and then we have to put resonating structures here. So, we have to add resonating structures first of all, and then here double bonds, okay, and then double bonds here. So we know that each carbon is sp2 hybridized and it will contain one hydrogen, except the fused junctions. The atoms in the junction or atoms in the bridge are not having hydrogen. Suppose if I replace the hydrogens of other positions with chlorine, let's see the different position. So if I am talking about this position, it is equivalent to this position, or this is as equivalent to this position as well as this. Means if these hydrogens are replaced with chlorine atom, the corresponding molecules or structures what we are getting will have same molecular formula or same IUPAC name. The names will also be same IUPAC names we will be getting as we replace these positions. So let us number these positions as 1 itself. So suppose if this is number 1, means I am getting one structure by replacing these hydrogens with the chlorine atoms. Now in case if I replace this position with the chlorine, suppose if I number this as a position 2 to replace a hydrogen with chlorine, this is same as this position, okay, and also same as this position as well as same as this position. Means from any of these positions if I remove hydrogen and insert chlorine, I will be getting same IUPAC name. And the third corresponding structure what I will be getting here is, see, I cannot have hydrogen replacement here since this does not have hydrogen. This one, this carbon, this as well as this. The next corresponding structure would be position 3, that would be this place. It is as equivalent to this place. The carbon's positions which are numbered with the similar number or the same number are called as equivalent carbons or equivalent hydrogens. So these are called equivalent position. So each equivalent position will have same IUPAC name and they are correspond to one particular structure. So altogether there are how many structures that we can have? 3 structural isomers. So 3 structural isomers. In fact, we call them as positional isomers. So therefore the right answer for the given question is how many structural isomers are possible for the anthracene when the hydrogen is replaced with the chlorine is option 1, 3. However, 7, 4 and 6 are not the correct choices. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.